Everyone is looking for a source of passive income these days. What if all it took was an internet connection? Like most people, you probably use a fraction of the internet bandwidth you pay for each month. Now you can sell the parts you don't use with Grass, an innovative solution that transforms your idle internet connection into a profitable resource. But how does it work? Grass is what's known as a residential proxy network, where vetted institutions and Fortune 500 companies can rent idle internet connections to access the web. You see, every time you connect to the internet, you provide a unique location-based perspective. This perspective is essential for companies trying to better understand the web, and this is what Grass monetizes for you. Consider Company A wants to sell a stereo at the lowest price. To do this, they need to know what their competitor is charging at Company B. Using Grass, Company A looks at Company B's website to check out their price and then offers an even better price to their customers. By providing this service, your internet connection can become a source of passive income, turning an idle resource into an active asset. With Grass, every gigabyte of internet you sell earns you rewards. These aren't just rewards, they're your stake in this growing network. The more your computer stays connected and the more friends you refer, the more your rewards multiply. Start your journey to passive income with Grass. Join the community and let's all start earning with Grass.